In today's video, we will discuss the essential rituals of the sacred 11th of Dhul Hijjah. For those performing Hajj, this day holds great importance. Let's dive into the details. Allah says in the Quran, "Remember me and be grateful to me." Surah Al-Baqarah 152. This verse reminds us of our duty to always remember Allah. On the 11th of Dhul Hijjah, the key responsibilities for pilgrims include: first, staying in Mina. This day is dedicated to staying in Mina and devoting oneself to worship. Pilgrims spend the night here, preparing for the symbolic act of stoning the Jamarat. Second, the stoning of the Jamarat. On this day, 7 pebbles are thrown at each of the 3 Jamarat, small, medium, and large. Saying Allahu Akbar with each throw is sunnah, symbolizing resistance to evil. Third, engaging in prayers, dhikr, and Quran recitation. This day is an opportunity for self-purification and seeking closeness to Allah. Fourth, for those who haven't yet performed their sacrifice, this is the time to fulfill it. It is a significant act of obedience to Allah. Dear viewers, these were the main rituals of the 11th of Dhul Hijjah. May Allah forgive us and accept our Hajj during these blessed days.